you, buds. He's learning to walk, Toots, don't you think?
Good job, buddy.
Yep, pit stop.
You do it again?
Hmm?
Let him do it one more time. Turn it around, buddy.
Use pit stop. Hard work, huh, Buzz?
Okay, let's see it one more time.
Come on.
Then it's my turn, right, Daddy?
Come on, buddy.
And then it's Big Sis's turn.
Big Sis already knows how to walk.
Oh, easy. Wait for it.
Oh, he's over it.
That's pretty good stuff, buddy.
Good job, buddy.